Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing what you have and preparing the device. Back up your home screen layout and app data so you can revert if needed. Once done, charge to at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions during downloads or theme installs. Make sure developer or advanced settings are enabled when a custom launcher or icon pack requires it. Now open the launcher or system settings and locate the display home screen or launcher option to begin changing the UI. You now make substantive visual changes. Choose a launcher or theme and apply it, observing how the home grid, folders, and app drawer respond. Then adjust the grid dimensions, icon size, and label visibility to balance density versus readability. Once configured, set gestures and edge actions for navigation to speed common tasks. Install and apply an icon pack if desired, and configure notification badges and widget behavior so your new layout remains both You finish by validating the experience across typical use. Test gestures, shortcuts, lock screen interactions, and widgets to confirm responsiveness and battery impact. Make sure app permissions and overlays still behave correctly. If something breaks, restore your backup or revert to the system launcher to isolate the issue. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the launcher cache and data or reinstall the launcher before drastic measures. This often fixes layout corruption without wiping other app data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.